Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about very special half-inch ratchet from Bahco. It is special because this ratchet is known to have exact same internal mechanism as Snap-on. I got this ratchet on a discount. It was around 38 US dollars. Let's find out if it is really has the same internals. In addition, I will do a quick comparison with Hazet and Stahlwille ratchet too. Part number is SB8150. It has 80 teeth gear and 4.5 degree return angle same as Snap-on. I bought it from Amazon. Original price was around $60 and I got it just for $38. And the reason for the cheaper price is this dent on the shaft. But Amazon did not mention about any defect. I'm okay with that since it is quite cheap and I don't think chrome will be chipped away and it seems smooth. This ratchet has flat shaft. Bahco logo and the part number are nicely stamped. This oxide plate has same marking as Snap-on ratchet, except it says patent pending. Two component handle design looks very nice. Orange is a harder material and the black part is softer. Handle has hanger hole. Bahco logo on the orange part. I like this Bahco handle style. Surprisingly, the handle grip fits good in hands and it is very comfortable. Ratchet is pretty beefier. Other than small dent, rest of the metal has nice shiny chrome plating. Honestly speaking, I like the way back of the ratchet head has no stamps or marking. The shaft is thin flat style but feels strong. Direction lever is made of alloy metal. It is smooth and firm and the feel is same as Snap-on ratchet. Gear mechanism is smooth and quiet. I like the ratchet. It feels quality ratchet, I would say. I got here USA made Bahco socket. Socket seated well and firm. Very little wobble. It feels smooth and good. Let's check the internal and find out if the internals are really similar to the Snap-on one. Screws are tightened with a blue thread lock. I don't have Snap-on ratchet with me at this moment, but internals are exactly same. If you guys wanna save some money, then consider this ratchet. It is more than half of the price. I will put the link in the description for this ratchet. Let's do a quick comparison. I got here ratchet from Stahlwille and Hazet. Thickness of the head of the both ratchets are identical. Stahlwille is pear-shaped. Direction lever of the Stahlwille is bit bigger but recessed and smoother than the Bahco one. Both have 80 teeth gear. Stahlwille gears are a bit smoother, I would say. But Bahco gears is quieter. Both feels equally good in hands. Stahlwille has matte chrome finish versus shiny chrome of Bahco. Another thing, Stahlwille has quick release function, whereas Bahco is non-quick release. I got here quick release hyper series ratchet from Hazet. Hazet ratchet head is tiny bit thicker considering quick release button. both feels equally good in hands. Hazard selector switch is bigger but recessed. Hazard has 90 teeth, Bahco has 80 teeth. Hazard has more teeth, but Bahco teeth's mechanism is smoother and quieter. In all three Ratchets, Bahco teeth are quieter, Stahlwille teeth are smoothest, and the Hazard has more teeth count than the rest. Overall, this Bahco Ratchet seems to have good quality. Feels good in hands. It is made in Taiwan, considering the fact it is not made in Sweden or USA. But I think it is still good quality ratchet overall. I'm curious to use this ratchet and I will give my feedback in another video about this ratchet after using for quite some time. Okay guys, that's it with the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Consider to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.